Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Excel Chapter 3 Hand-on exercise to simulation exam. So if you want to complete MylTLab course Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So we move to the main project step is question number 1. So question number 1 is type the 2025 Joe Fair attendance as the chart title for the combo charts and bold the title and change the font size to the 60. So select the chart title is 2025 Joe Fair attendance and deselect the charts and select the chart title and apply the bold the title and change the font size to the 16. So go to the home tab and go to the font groups and click the bold and font size to the 16. Click OK and next is apply the blue accent one under theme color to the chart title. So select the chart title and apply the blue accent one is the under theme colors. So click the font color to the blue accent one, click OK. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is use the chart element button to display the primary vertical axis title. For the chart bar, type the location as the chart title. Choose the chart element button and display the primary vertical axis title. Display the primary vertical axis title. And next is type the location and deselect the charts type and apply the black text one font color to vertical axis title. So select the vertical axis title and apply the black text one font color. So go to the home tabs, go to the font groups and click the font color the black text one. And next is modify the horizontally value axis so that the maximum bound is 11,000 and keep the format axis pane to the display. So select the horizontally value axis title and right clicks and click the format axis. Its maximum bound is select the maximum bound is 11,000 and press enter. And next is modify the horizontally value axis that minimum bound is 1000. So select the minimum 1000 and press enter and change the horizontally axis, display the unit to 1000 and then close the task and display the horizontally unit is to 1000 and then close the task pane and click the close. Apply the black text one font color to the horizontally axis title. So select the horizontally axis title and the black text one font color. So click the font color and black text one font color. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is display the outside and data label to the pie charts. Display the outside and data label on the pie charts and close the chart element and click the deselect the charts. And next is use the format data label task and display the percentage data label and remove the value data label, close the task pane. So click the data label is the data label select the data label and click the more options and display the percentage data labels. So display the percentage data label and remove the value data label. Remove the value data label and close the task pane and click the close. Next is apply the board to the data label. So go to the home tabs and go to the font groups and click the board and apply the 14 point size to the data label. Home tabs and go to the font groups and click the 14. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, with the pie chart selected, format the chart area as the gradient fill. Format the chart area with the gradient fills and using the preset gradient light gradient ascend to second column first color. So select the gradient fills and light gradient ascend to preset gradient and light gradient ascend to, click OK. And next is use the alt text pane to the enters, right clicks and click the edit the alt text and type the pie the pie chart display the percentage of 2025 job fair attendance from each location and include the period and close the alt text pane and click the close the alt text pane. And next is apply the purple solid fill color lake Mary slice and keep the task pane open. So select the lake Mary slice. So find the lake Mary slice. So select the lake Mary slice and purple solid fill color. So click the solid fill color and purple solid fill color. Purple, click OK and keep the task and explore the central Orlando is the blue slice. Explore the central Orlando. So select the central Orlando, select the slice and next is explore the slice is the 5% and press enter. Next is close the task pane and click the close the task pane. So assignment is done and please click OK to submit the assignment. Click OK and check the score is Excel chapter 3 hand-on exercise to simulation is 90%. So if you want to complete MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.